Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our December 2025 virtual class. With our virtual classes, there is a die requirement. So in this case, 3 dies from our new collection, the Playful Pop-up, Bug Borders, and Animal Add-ons 6. Now, anytime we feature an add-ons set in our required dies, we do require by separate purchase you to have a foundation die that those add-ons would fit. So in this case, Animal Add-on 6 will actually fit any of our ball dies, but for the purposes of this class, you only get 2 choices. You have to have either 1131 Bitty Ball Pop-up or 1201 Mini Ball Pop-up. With this latest release, we also introduced some access tab dies. Now what these do is they allow access inside the ball to replace the rubber bands if they ever break. And so for people that make a lot of ball projects, I think these are going to be a great addition. They are optional. I will show you during prep work how to use them. You do not have to have the access tabs to participate in this class, but you do have to have either the Bitty Ball or the Mini Ball Pop-up. For our first card, we're going to make this adorable ladybug card using the new Playful Pop-up. So the Playful Pop-up is going to be an amazing foundation die. It's got 4 different motion arms. There's all sorts of things you can do with it. And the Playful Pop-up is a required die for this month and then a required foundation die for the next 2 months. Card 2 is going to be our Grasshopper birthday card. Just a little squiggle to make you giggle. Have a crawly, jolly birthday. So this Grasshopper is made using the Bitty Ball, but the Mini Ball also works. You can see it's on a removable little oval. When you collapse it down, now you can see why you can't use the surprise ball because it wouldn't have fit in the card with the legs. So it has to be the Mini Ball or the Bitty Ball for this size card. Okay, if you are new to our virtual class program, let me explain a little bit how it works. So step 1 is you purchase a kit. Now you have choices. You have choices on where to purchase that kit. You can buy it from us on our website. You can buy it from one of the participating stores. We also have a store in the Netherlands that will ship throughout Europe. You have to decide then, are you going to bundle your paper extras and instructions with your required dies? That is always your best value. Or if you happen to have already shopped and purchased one or more of the required dies, you can get just the paper extras and instructions kit without the dies. But just to be clear, you do need the dies. So you need all 3 of those required dies from the new release, as well as either your Bitty Ball or your Mini Ball as a foundation die. Now, when your kit arrives, it's going to be those bulk materials, but it's not going to include instructions. The prep work comes by email. So you're going to get an email from the place where you purchased your kit. That email arrives 8 to 10 days before the class premiere. And that's going to include your detailed PDF instructions as well as a link to a prep work video. And what you can do is you can take your kit, your required dies, you can, go onto YouTube and at your own pace, you can get all your prep work done so that you turn those bulk materials into 2 ready-to-assemble card kits. Prep work is entirely self-paced. You just have to get it done before you watch the class day video. And your first opportunity to watch the class day video will be at the premiere. And that premiere is scheduled for December the 20th at 11 a.m. Central. Now, do you have to watch it at the premiere? Absolutely not. It's pre-recorded. The only thing you get by watching the class day video at the premiere is me in the chat box in case you have some questions. Otherwise, it's just watch it whenever you're ready to make your projects. And that may be after the holidays, so this is completely up to you. These projects are not holiday projects. They're anytime projects. Don't feel any stress. You can watch that class day video anytime after the premiere. If you're interested in a kit for this class, you will find a list of stores selling those kits on KarenBurniston.com. Click on the Events tab. We will also sell a limited number of kits. They will show up on our website in the Kits and Classes section when they are ready, and we will send an email out. So join our email list if you're not already on it. Thanks for watching.